Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Unong elam kasing Kongres Dr. Mukul Sangma hnegasngi ka artari kurampang arhajar arpuai habaya keren berkinung tok kubor haying sa jung ulapan pau ba kasing Kongres kalalong kabalakre banekun ya ke election lakadai ha ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ni ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council lani ha Janja Hills Autonomous District Council. Ulaban rabru da kabaong bakasing Kongres kalakloi wat banyakun ya ka election hapo kaying darbar tawan hapo ka jela. Habaya day berkejingjit ikekertong jong kaseng nakabenta ke election ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nakaliang Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bakaseng kaladebjit 100% kikertong bat kiweipat kibadang saaru kidang ya cacai bat syen ya gikerteng jungki kinsapan benah.
Workers at the grassroots level have been active all along, whether it is in Garo Hills, whether it is in Khasi Hills. Even if elections are held now for the whole state, I think we are ready. So as far as the party is concerned, yes, we are ready to face any election, whether district council or even the state election. We'll be happy if elections are held, if all the political parties agree to have election now, assembly election. It will save the state also, not just winnability. There are multiple factors. Winnability is one of the factors. Because winnability as a team, as a party, in the true spirit of democracy. In democracy, it is crucial for us to really strengthen the political party to which we belong, which we represent. Because when we serve, we will serve the state as a collective members of that political party. If political parties are weak, the state will be weak. If the political party and the leadership in this party is in the party, in any party, is found wanting in providing the right kind of direction or is found to be self-centric, then the state will suffer. Therefore, it's crucial for people also to look at the political parties, the people who are in the political party, the leadership in the political party. Yeah, it's in the process. Formally, announcement will take some time, but then more or less in 50% of the constituencies we have decided, but then we were waiting for further decision on the rest of the constituencies. Well, when we announce, you will know. See, politics has its own inherent dynamics. So every election will have its obvious, bearing on the subsequent election. But every election has to be seen as a separate election.